Hello guys, welcome to Industrial Electrical Power channel with new idea and new experience. In this video I wanted to show how to connection wiring of single phase automatic changeover switch. At the first, let's go to explain equipment. Number 1, single phase energy meter. Number 2, single phase magnetic circuit breaker. Number 3, contact tools. Number 4, single phase generator. And number 5 is terminal for loads. Let's start a wiring connection. Watch video to the end. At the end, if you like this video, don't forget subscribe us, like, share with friends, and press bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching video.